Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. So currently I am following the BTR schedule given by Zainab ma'am. So I have completed surgery, still few topics are left. I was also not able to do the active recall, so I have scheduled the active recall after few days. Completed ortho. Currently I am doing radio. So there is the upcoming TND which is on surgery, ortho and radio. Will be giving that, and I'm still not happy with what I am doing because currently I don't have any Q bank to practice. I have taken only Marrow. Sorry, I have taken only BTR. I have to buy Marrow for Q bank. So currently I don't have that. So currently I am only solving the MCQ from the BTR TNDs which are there in app. So therefore I'm not getting that feeling of preparing for the exam, because ultimately the main goal of this exam is solving MCQs. The MCQs will define your rank, so hoping to buy it before this year ends. Also, I am not able to give my GT. I am just procrastinating my first GT like nothing. I don't know, but I will be giving it in next week. I have planned a day specific I have given to GT, so I will be appearing to the GT on that day, my first GT, and also on the same day I will be going through the GT discussion video. So yes, I don't know why I'm doing this to myself, but right now I'm feeling a lot of negativity. Although I am in my home, but still I'm feeling a lot of negative vibes. I don't know why. Somehow I am trying to stay consistent. I'm trying, but I am consistent with the MCQ solving quiz which I am doing on Instagram. Daily one MCQ. I'm also posting the same MCQ discussion videos on YouTube also, so that is helping me out in some or the other way, because I'm explaining something to you or to myself, so it is going inside my head and it is sticking to my memory. I was also thinking to just upload, like few topics explanation, like the topics which I feel are difficult for me, and I will explain it. I will make the video and I will upload it. So I am thinking to do that, because there are a lot of topics which might be easier for everyone, but it is difficult for me. For example, the topic of the metabolism acid base, I never get that questions. I never understand it. So ECG questions sometimes few physiology graphs, etc. So these are the topics which are difficult for me. So I was thinking to make videos on this topic and upload it. So in that way it will be helpful for me, and I will understand the difficult topics more easily. So see you in my next video, and I promise it to myself that I will give my first GT, and in the next video I will update you on my first GT score. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.